Hey guys, how are you? Look what I got. The German truck, the new one by Miniarts. Well, it's not a new truck. That's not new. They've had that out for a while. But this is a new kit that they've released. A truck with a trailer and beer things, kegs. So that's pretty cool. So we can have a look at this. Elsie's pretty angry today. Yeah, it's fair enough. It's been horrible weather. She hasn't been able to go out. So she is a bit angry. But this is a really good kit. So I really enjoyed building the car, so the Mercedes car, Lieferwagen. So I got this one. It was on special and it's brand new, so that it's already on special. And you can make this truck, which I think I'll do, the Berlin truck, or you can build this truck from the Hanover province, the blue one. Now, blue and red is not easy to do and weather and shit, so I probably won't do that. The guy on the Miniarts site did this one, and it doesn't look that good, I don't reckon. I reckon this would look much better, but I'll choose a different kind of yellow, I reckon. So, that looks like, you know, just sort of German dark yellow. Yeah, anyway. It's not that hard to build. And there's not a heap of parts. Like you get the truck parts, you get a bit of photo etch, you get some good beer decals. See, she's angry. Just stop it, can you? So you don't get a heap of parts. Now, you get the interior, so you get to build up the engine. You have to build the chassis from scratch. So you don't get a chassis that's got to be built from scratch. Yeah, you get a choice of radiator. So you get a photo etch radiator, you get a normal radiator. Oh no, that's the radiator cover, sorry. So that's a big thing in their new kits. They're giving you a choice, so you can do they put in, but yes, so I'll finish my sentence. They put in either the plastic molded version or a version that you can use for photo etch. So they're doing a lot of that lately. So they're the photo etch pieces they can go on. But it's not going to be that easy to build. I'm still trying to come up with a plan on how I'm going to approach it when I do eventually do it. That hood is interesting. We'll have a look at that. Yeah, you have a choice here. So you've got a plastic one, which has got a plastic Mercedes and a plastic grille, or you can do the photo etch, which of course I'll do the photo etch. And you get it all on, and you get the trailer as well. So you build the truck, and it's not going to be easy. You've got to put parts on, you know, right at the end and stuff. So yeah, it's not. I'm going to have to come up with some ideas on how I'm going to go about approaching painting. Now the trailer looks like a really easy project, pretty easy to put together. And then you've got all these different barrels. So there's two kits they've released of barrels, just as the barrels. One kit's got the large one and the other kit's got the medium and the small ones. In this kit, you get the entire lot. So you get the big ones and the medium and small ones. So they put in all the barrels that you can get. So that would be like $40 worth of barrels. This is what you get the hood in. And I'll show you. It seems to me like a bit of molding genius in my opinion. So they put that in there. And that's the only really mark on the top. Yeah, she's really pushing it. And there's no pin marks, ejector pin marks at all. So really intelligent molding there. And they put that in a box for you, but yeah, that's just got to clean that bit up there. Really nice. Of course you get the decals. And you get some really nice windows. And you get a couple of photo etch frets. Two small ones, I believe. Yeah, two little photo etch frets. You get your Mercedes ones there. But you don't get a spare Mercedes ones like you do in the van. Like usual, I really like how they do their wood. It's inspired me in sculpting with my wood. So I like how they do that. That's the trailer. And there's not a heap in this like the Panzer IV. And then you get heaps of these. So you get the small ones. They're the small ones. And I think they're the medium-sized ones. Or maybe they're large, I'm not sure. I think, yeah, I think they're a similar size, so medium-sized ones. Maybe they're the large ones, I'm not sure. They're definitely small. I think they're small and medium. Yeah, you got your medium there and your small. So those other ones are large. Yeah, so small, medium, and large. So you get all of them, and you get heaps of those. Of course, you get more trailer. So you get a lot of trailer because most of this is chassis and trailer with the, you know, the cabin. You got your nice woods there and all that. The engine is always nice with me out there. You see, you've got your photo etch version and your plastic version, which is all good. And then we've got some parts for the chassis. These are the wheels you get. So they're those Miniart joined together ones that gives you the really nice treads. There's a little bit of information on them, and it's got Continental rented on it. Hey Elsie, say hello. Camera shy Elsie. So you get a heap of wheels, but you get other wheels there for the trailer, of course. Some little sprues, just some tools. Another little sprue with some leaf springs. And this is a big sprue here with all the doors. That's the base of the trailer. Really nice. I like it. The seats, you know, really nice textures. Everything's good. The width, there's the width. And the chassis. Very nice little kit. Highly recommended. So I got it on special. It's for $60 or something like that. This kit usually goes for $75 or something. So they're, it's an expensive kit, but you know, they're really full interior tanks and all that at the moment are going for about 100. So a full interior, this is about the same price as a full interior T34. I mean T54. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.